Yo, what's going on, my weenie boys and my weenie girls? We are freaking out here with another Vlickety vlog, and it is your boy, Mike Mott, CBR. And we also got our boys, Justin and Nikki out here. Surprise, surprise for you guys. Look at that, a little switch up of the pace of things here. Also, I think we're going to meet up with our other boy, Manny, so we are going to get all the Harley boys involved in this video for you guys. Pretty ironic after the last video we just made about being so lonely, but we're back in action, boys. We got the 360 out here with the boys. I got the visor up on my helmet, so hopefully the audio is not too bad, but yeah, we're gonna go meet up with our boy Manny, and we're gonna hit the road. We got a nice little bike meet to go to on a golf course. It's a little restaurant on a golf course. That's where the bike meet's at, which is pretty dope. I actually brought you guys to a couple of these meets last season, but we're back at it, boys. And Betsy talking her talk like usual. I don't know if you guys remember these bikes, but we got the Street Glide in front of us, which is the same bike as Mr. Anthony, but this one is on bags. And then we got our boy Nikki with the ST leading the pickety pack. And yeah, boys, let's just enjoy the journey. I'm gonna try and get some cool clips on this 360 camera now that I got a nice little crew to actually ride with you guys, and should be freaking fun, weenie huts. God! Oh, officer! Betsy, you better cut it out! Betsy, cut it out! Sorry, guys, I just had to yell at my bike real quick. She be trying to talk to everybody, and sometimes, you know, she forgets that she's in a relationship. She can't be going out talking to all these piggies. Look at Nikki repping the Knicks. I don't follow basketball, so I don't know nothing, guys, but I know they're in like the playoffs or something like that. Like I said, I don't know basketball. Sorry. I'm sorry. But New York, baby, represent New York. Guys, it is gorgeous today. Oh, 80 degrees out.
Hey guys, sorry about any DJI 360 clips from this point on, but apparently the lens cover for the DJI 360 wanted to almost leave the chat, and so we got that weird little ring towards the bottom. Sorry, fixing it in advanced videos.
Guys, I think we're off the highway for a second here. I think we're going to meet up with our boy Manny at Valero, which is pretty good because your boy Michael San over here is playing the gas game. If you guys have a bike, you guys definitely played the gas game. Oh, hold on. Oh! Oh! I swear it wasn't me! No, it was definitely me. No, it was definitely me. Oh, shit. I mean, holy schmackerels, boys. We got the freaking Lamborghini out here. And then we got some freaking little Enduro adventure bikes. Alright, so let's get some gasoline here. Perfect. To be completely honest, I was playing the no mirrors game. I was just like, if he wants me, he's gonna have to make it no mirrors. Over my shoulder. I kept seeing you guys in your mirror. I was just like, God. I think he was just pulling into that spot. That spot. It's the first time using this camera in a group.
Oh, really?
We'll see how she does.
Which camera is that?
That's the DJI.
What's that?
This is DJI. There's just like an action camera. That's the 360. Yeah, baby. Back in action.
Back in action.
Now we can go ride with Slow Boy. Oh, look at that, baby. One day, guys. One day we'll be on the Italian crew. It's a beautiful. Oh my God. You know, you don't see a lot of those on the island, guys. You definitely don't see a lot of those. Motivation. It's possible. If he's got one and he lives on the island, that means I can have one and I can live on the island. All right, boy. Let's let her eat. Now we're in trouble. Now all the weenies are out. You know, we're all supposed to be on the grill. And for some reason, all of our parents took us off the grill and let us out on our bikes. So, let's play. Let's play. It's time to go out and play. Look at Manny just glistening, Mr. Carbon Boy. He's Mr. Original. Oh my God, look at those bags. Look at the helmet. The whole front of his bike's carbon. The front fairing's carbon. His whole front end is carbon. Oh, that shit sounds good. I think Manny's on a street glide as well. Whoops, Betsy's got a lot to say to Manny. She said, "Hi, how we doing, Carbon Daddy?" And that's it. That's our cruising speed, boys. Because we're cool, calm, and collective, and we're adults, and we know how to, I don't know. I'm just jambling. I don't even know. Just a sport bike hiding with Harleys. That's all we're doing here. Yes! Look at this. Look. You got a deer over there. You got that nice little red deer eating a freaking leaf. Wide open field. You gotta love it. You gotta love the farmlands over here, baby. Look, they got all the sprinklers. They got this all nice and mowed. Sheesh! Beautiful! Beautiful! Look at Nick. He's just chilling. Look at this, boys. If only I had a Harley, I'd feel like I fit in, but I just don't fit in. This isn't my place. I can't be in the front of the pack. Can't do it. I can't show my dominance. And we got some other brothers behind us. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, we got some other brothers behind us. For sure. Brother! God damn! Look, guys, you guys hear me just skimming out over here. I'm not even doing the speed limit actually. Just being on a bike on a beautiful day is more than enough for me. I don't gotta go breaking triple digits, cutting up through cars. I do like it. Don't get me wrong, it is fun. It is fun. But this is just like, sheesh! Look at me! Look at it! Hey, look at that! Look at all those chickens! Look at all those damn chickens! It's a whole lot of weenies, not a lot of grilling going on though. That's all I can tell you. Damn more. But let's have a nice civil conversation. Formal. Instead of me just acting like a 3-year-old. It is a gorgeous Wednesday afternoon, guys. It's 5, 6 o'clock. I think it's like 6 o'clock. I have a time, it says my time on the dash, so it's actually 6:04. Beautiful out. Dicky's tapping his head. That means there's the officer. Freaking Ossifer. But yeah, guys, we are just living the best life right now. Enjoying this beautiful Wednesday, 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Gorgeous outside. It's literally like no freaking clouds out whatsoever. Like I said earlier in the video, it's 80 degrees. It's starting to really feel like summer, guys. It's finally beginning of June. It's crazy how much just from May to June the weather has swapped, because I feel like all May was just cold, chilly, and rainy. And then we got into June and it's literally like 80, 90 degree days. So we're finally here. I can finally wear my freaking t-shirt, enjoy the fresh air. I hope you guys can hear me as well, because I'm talking and I'm riding, and it's just what we do. Yeah, guys, we're just a couple minutes out, going to this freaking bike meet on the golf course. Should be a freaking vibe. Should be a vibe. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I just love the views. Love the views. If you guys can't tell, if you're new to the channel, I love views. If you guys aren't new to the channel, y'all should freaking know. Your boy Michael Sign loves him some beautiful views. I also love chasing the sunset. They call me the sunset chaser. Back where I'm from, boys, but we're not back where I'm from, so we're Mr. CBR Michael CBR. Just sitting here, crisscross applesauce, except I can't cross my fingers. Can't cross my pinky and my ring finger because my ring finger. Alright, boys, we are close. When we get to the traffic circle, that means we are arriving to our destination. And I just gotta follow these weenies. If they want to be reckless, I'm gonna have to be reckless with them. All I just have to do, baby. Look, we just missed that guy. And Justin just shot a dang rock at me, brother. Brother, that's an irresponsible move to make. Guys, I don't know if my DJI 360 is gonna be able to pick this up, but there's a lot of dead bugs on this visor as I just whacked my camera. So a lot of dead bugs. All I see is spots everywhere on my visor. You should probably carry a microfiber. Keep it clean. Well, would you look at that? I see some water. I see a freaking golf course. That means, honey, I'm home. Sorry, that was inappropriate. this girl Betsy just always showing her dominance everywhere she's gotta go. It's kinda freaking rude, y'all. Kinda freaking rude. Alright guys, let's be normal. So, like I said earlier in the video, we actually have been to a couple of these bike meets last season. Haven't been to one yet this season. This is the first one this season. And wow, alright, look at that freaking thing. Holy macaroni. Not too many bikes here. Definitely a lot of freaking brothers. Actually, I think it's all freaking brothers. No more. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Let's just get a roll through real quick. Look at all these beautiful bikes. Look at all these chickens. Look at all these chickens. Now we're doing a little chicken model. Little chicken model. There she is, baby. Hiding back from everybody else. Look at this. Look at this, guys. My boy's glistening with all the carbon. God. And you're going turbo soon. Turbo Kid Tommy. And then you got Airbag Johnny over here. You got Tommy and Johnny, and you got Nikki with the little... I'll let everybody else finish that sentence. Yeah, we got some big dogs out here. He's the grass goblin, guys. The grass goblin. Bro, look at this.
She had a husband. Cat watched the whole 25-minute video of us doing nothing and heard me say that she texted me.
Some brothers.
I didn't hear what the fuck you said. You know, I came home. She goes,
they're better than the CIA. I'm telling you, you can't get away with nothing. What happened to that?
You didn't see it. I'm about to check out. She said that.
Brothers, I don't know what we're looking at. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Whatever it is, it looks like it's very uncomfortable. Look at all the bikies. Alright boys, we are getting out of here. Not a lot of bikes. Really just a lot of Harleys. So we're calling the party here. Plus, the boys trying to go home and watch the Knicks game. AKA, Nikki's trying to go home and watch the Knicks game. I don't watch none of that. I don't do none of that stuff. So, that's gonna be pretty much that. Oh, we got some sport bikes pulling up, of course, right when we're leaving. Dang, boys, I wish we parked over there. Look at this freaking beautiful view on the water. Golf course right here on the water. Freaking gorgeous. Freaking gorgeous. Alright boys, calling it quits here. It was a cool meet. He said it was the second meet, so guess it's still getting up there.
Yeah, so if you guys are hearing this, that means that your buddy Mike on CBR may have forgot to charge his cameras and mic the last time he filmed a video for you guys. So, yeah, this video may have ended a little abruptly there, but just enjoy the clips that I do have for you before the cameras did die on me. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. So I'll catch you weenies on the mother frickin' grill. Bye bye now.